Today I will show you the easiest way to install Rust, a popular programming language on your Ubuntu system. Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly talk about Rust. Rust is a powerful and modern programming language known for its focus on performance, reliability, and productivity. Let's see how to bring this language to your Ubuntu environment. First thing first, ensure that your system is up to date. For that, open your terminal and run this command. Enter your user password. Next, execute this command to install Rust. After that, verify the installation with this command. The output will show you the installed version number. So that is how you can install Rust with a few simple steps. But if you want to uninstall it, follow this process. Run this command on your terminal. This command will remove the programming language from your Linux system. That was all for today. With Rust, you can write, compile, and execute complex scripts on Ubuntu. And as I wrap up this video, I hope installing and removing Rust from Ubuntu will be easy for you from now on.